Hi guys, and welcome back to mathematics class with Teacher Matthew. In this class, we're going to compare and other numbers up to 10 million. And we're also going to do some estimation. Now let's compare some numbers. Yesterday, I read a book about Southeast Asia. I found out that Laos has an area of 336,800 square kilometers. Does that mean Laos is bigger than Thailand? Let's compare. Thailand has an area of 513,115 square kilometers. How do we compare the two numbers? First, compare the numbers of digits. The number with more digits is a greater number. Number two, if the numbers of digits are equal, then compare the digits of both numbers starting from the leftmost places. And number three, use a place value table to compare the digits of both numbers. Let's try some examples. Compare this number with this number. Which number is greater? Now let's make a number place value table, starting with millions, hundred thousands, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. And let's write the two numbers. So the first one is 5,367,890. And the second one, 687,324. So we can see that the first number has 5 millions, which means it has 7 digits. And the second number has 600,000, which means it has 6 digits. So the number with the greater digits is greater, which is the 5 million is greater than the 600,000. And that is how we can do this one. The next one. Which number is greater? 3,209,765 or 3,208,413. Let's put both numbers in the place value table. So we can see both as 3 million, 3 million. Both has 200,000, 200,000. Both has 0 10,000s and 0 10,000s. The first one has 9,000 and the second one has 8,000. So 9 is greater than 8. So the number with the 9,000s is greater than the number with the 8,000s. So both numbers, we can say we can say 3,209,765 is greater than 3,208,413. Now let's compare the areas of Laos and Thailand. Let's put both numbers in the place value table. We have 100,000. We have this. Laos has 200,000. Thailand has 500,000. So who has the greater area of land? Thailand has 500,000. So we can say Laos is smaller than Thailand, because 200 is smaller than 500,000. Now let's take a look at ordering numbers. Let's arrange the numbers in ascending order. When we talk about ascending order, that means we start from the smallest to the greatest. So let's compare these two numbers. We can see we have to compare the number of digits in each number. $89,540 has only 5 digits. The rest have more than 5 digits. So 89,540 is the smallest because it's got only 5 digits. 1,257,600 has 7 digits. These two numbers has only 6 digits. So we say this 1 million plus is the greatest number because it's got 7 digits. Now we have the greatest, we have the smallest number, and we also have the greatest number. Now let's take a look at the rest of the two numbers. Compare the thousands of this number and this number. 6,000 is smaller than 8,000. So we say 236,258 is smaller than 238,420. So we arrange them as shown on the screen in ascending order. Now let's take a look at the next exercise. Arrange the numbers in descending order. Descending order means from the greatest to the smallest. First, we compare the number of digits in each number. We can see that this has 6 digits and the rest have 8 digits. So the number with 6 digits as the smallest number. Now compare the 10 millions. We have 21 million, 28 million, 28 million. They have the same digits, which is 20 million, 20 million, 20 million. Now let's compare the millions. The millions, the first one has 1 million, 8 million, and 8 million. So 1 million is the smallest. So therefore this number is the smallest among the three. This is the smallest, among the three. Now let's compare the last two, this and this. We have compare the 100,000s. The 100,000, this has 300,000. This one has 500,000. So 500,000 is greater than 300,000. So therefore, this number is the greatest. So we arrange it in ascending order, excuse me. So we arrange it in ascending order in this format, from the greatest to the smallest.